deletion in heaps. So basically, deletion in heaps, the standard operation is we just delete the root element. In standard deletion operation, we just delete the root element. Like if it is a max heap, we delete the root element and we get the maximum value. Nothing but the maximum element. And in min heap, if we delete the root element, we get the minimum value or the minimum element. Right. So what are the steps to be followed in the deletion of heaps? First is that we should replace the root element with the last element. Next is that we should delete the last element. What is delete the last element? As we have replaced the root element with the last element, now in the position of the last element, root element is stored. So we are doing nothing but deleting the last element. That is nothing but root. So first step is that we replace the root element with the last element and delete the last position, which is nothing but the root element. Then third, we will heapify the root element, which is nothing but the last element. As we are storing the last element in the root position, we will heapify the last element. Let's take an example. Let's take a max heap. So if this is a max heap and we want to delete the position 15 or the element 15, so what will we do? We will replace this 15 by the last element. So after replacing this with the last element, this will be 1, this will be 5, this will be 4, and this will be 3, and this will be 2, and this will be 15. So now we replace the root element with the last element. Now we will delete the last element, which was our root. We'll get 15, which was the maximum element. So now after deleting it, our heap will be like this. But this doesn't follow the max heap properties, right? So we should pass this node to the heapify so that this follows the heap properties. So how we will do heapify in this? So as this is smaller than this, but in the max heap this should be greater. So we will swap this both. So after swapping, this will become as 5, 1, 4, 3 and 2. So now we got this. Now again, this 1 is smaller than 3, but in the max heap, parent should be always greater than its child nodes. So what will we do now? Again swap 3 with 1. So after swapping, we will get as 5, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Now this is a max heap and we have successfully deleted 15 from that. Let me quickly write the algorithm for this. So delete array and the length of the array. So we will replace the last element. Where is the last element stored? Last element is stored in the array of n-1. We should just replace the root element which is stored in the 0th position by the last element. Right. and decrease the size of the heap by n-1 and heapify the root node, which is the last element. As in the root node we have stored the last element, it may not follow the properties of a max heap or a min heap. So we should heapify it again. So heapify the root node. That's all. Notes and code will be provided in the description. Thank you.